Edelweiss, Leontopodium alpinum, is a unique and fascinating flower known for its beautiful appearance and alpine heritage. Growing Edelweiss flowers can be a rewarding experience. If you're interested in cultivating these delicate and resilient blooms, this comprehensive guide will provide you with all the information you need to successfully grow Edelweiss flowers. Understanding Edelweiss. Edelweiss is a perennial flower native to the mountainous regions of Europe. It thrives in cool climates and rocky, well-drained soil. Edelweiss plants have woolly leaves and star-shaped flowers that feature a white or yellowish bloom surrounded by fuzzy silver-gray bracts. These flowers have a strong cultural significance and are often associated with alpine landscapes. Propagation methods. Start by stratifying the seeds for several weeks in the refrigerator to simulate the cold conditions of winter. Sow the seeds in a well-draining potting mix and keep them moist. Transplant the seedlings into individual pots once they are large enough and gradually acclimate them to outdoor conditions before planting them in the garden. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil before planting Edelweiss. Remove any weeds or debris and work in organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to improve soil fertility and drainage. Avoid using excessive amounts of nitrogen-rich fertilizers, as they can promote lush foliage growth at the expense of flower production. Planting Edelweiss. Follow these steps to plant Edelweiss successfully. A. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of the plant. B. Place the Edelweiss plant in the hole, ensuring it is at the same depth as it was previously growing. C. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. D. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Watering and mulching. Edelweiss prefers moderate moisture levels. Water the plants deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, as Edelweiss is susceptible to root rot. Applying a layer of mulch around the base of the plant helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Maintenance and care. To ensure healthy growth and abundant blooms, consider the following care tips for Edelweiss. Deadheading. Remove faded flowers to encourage continuous blooming and prevent the plant from going to seed. Winter protection. In colder climates, protect Edelweiss during winter by applying a layer of mulch around the base of the plant or covering it with a frost blanket. Growing Edelweiss flowers can bring a touch of alpine beauty to your garden. By selecting a suitable planting location, providing well-drained soil, and following the proper care techniques outlined in this guide, you can cultivate these delicate blooms successfully. Embrace the uniqueness of Edelweiss and enjoy their captivating beauty in your garden for years to come.